You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 89, where we are going to be configuring our Edge subscription. So first things first, on Nita Edge 02, I'll log in, I navigate to my file explorer. Now remember, I'm logged in as the enterprise admin, and one of the ways that I can easily check that is on the Windows PowerShell here. I can just type in who am I, and that'll give me the idea that which user account I'm logged in as. Okay, now on the local disk C, I'm going to create a new folder called Edge Transport. Now this folder, I'm going to right click on it, click on Properties, click on Sharing, click on Share, and click on Share. Done. That's great. Now I'll navigate to my Exchange Management Shell on Nita Edge 02. Now I have my command right here. New Edge subscription. This is the file name, the edge.xml file that I want to create in the same location that I just created the file in. Edge transport, C:/Edge transport. It will ask me, do you want to go ahead? I say A, that is yes to all, and enter, and that's it. Done. Now it sounds very anticlimactic. I'm not kidding. You can see that there is a Edge file here. Now we navigate to our Exchange Server 02. Now I have Exchange Server 02 here, that is right open, everything is working, everything is connected. Now one of the first things that I'll do is I'll right click on Start, click on Run, and then put in the path / Nita Edge 02 / and enter. Once I do that, I can find the Edge Transport folder that I shared earlier to be available here. I'm going to copy this folder, go navigate to this PC, go to local disk C and paste it here. Now, one of the things that I always recommend everybody should do, and it is a good idea to always be ahead of this, is have your notepad open and just copy paste your sub commands here. So for example, these are my commands. Now I'm just copying directly from the lab book. In certain cases, I do copy directly from the lab book. But now one thing I would like to make sure is everything has the formatting correct. So there is a dash between site and name, right? And this entire C:/Edge transport edge.xml is one single line. So the entire command is one single big line. I just for the sake of visibility, I just do word wrap, but it should not be anything other than this. I copy this command here, go to my Exchange Management Shell, or again, I click on Exchange Management Shell. Because I want it to connect, I want everything to be right. So yeah, this would be good font for this, for visibility's sake. I'll wait for the command for the verbose thing to say connected, and then I'll paste the command and enter. Now you see there is a problem here. There was an extra space that wasn't supposed to be here. Right here. These kinds of formatting problems are the reason why your commands will sometimes just fail. Not an issue, but it is better to take care of them early on. You see, it worked. So now the next command is start -Edge Synchronization. Now you could see it says could not connect. Now, ideally, I would first start, then test the synchronization. But I'm running both the commands first. So this is the status right now. Ideally, you could wait for it for a little bit of time, or you could just verify if certain services are working. So for example, if I go to my server manager, click on tools, click on services, and under services, now all you need to do is just press M and that will take you to Microsoft Exchange. And you need to look for Microsoft EdgeSync, this one right here. It is running at the moment, and everything looks healthy. But if I restart this service, now if I try the commands again, maybe they can yield to a better result, who knows. Start Edge Synchronization, you see it's successful. Now if I test Edge Synchronization, you will see that it will be normal, the sync status will be normal. Now this is just a little bit of a kickstart method to make sure that everything works, but that is the end of the lab here. So in this lab, we just configured our Edge Synchronization and everything. Now in the next few labs, we'll be looking at what to do next or what things to apply on the Edge servers to make them more effective in the upcoming labs. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.